since now we have a lot of our esteemed guests and stars and people that we've been waiting for, let me quickly introduce myself and why I am so connected to this evening. I was born in Kuwait. I came during the Gulf War, and to me, the Gulf is more home than anything else. And for all those of you who listen to me on Kasakai Mumbai Radio City 91.1, if I introduce you to this city, I'm about to take you into the magical world of Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, that is not just beautifully blessed in landscape and in topography, but some place that has done extremely well for international films and Bollywood. So before we begin, and I introduce some of our wonderful guests who you're going to get the opportunity to question, ask yourself into the world of Abu Dhabi, let me present to you two videos that not just take you on a quick tour into Abu Dhabi, but also of all the films that have been shot there. So let's have those two audio visuals before I make you meet the most awaited guest for this evening. Al Mehari, CEO of 2454. May I please call you up on stage and ask you, why is it so important to have Bollywood in Abu Dhabi? Ladies and gentlemen.
It is an honor to be here representing 2454 and Abu Dhabi Film Commission. To take you through what Abu Dhabi has to offer as a film and television production destination. I know I understand the it's okay. Let them take photos. First, I would like to thank my dear friend Sajid Nanduwala and his beautiful wife Warda for their help in hosting our beloved Dishoom team. Rohit, Varun, and beautiful Jacqueline, thank you for being here. I would also like to welcome our guest of honor and a friend, the CEO of Film and TV Producers Guild of India, Mr. Kulmeet Makar. Thank you. Over the past 8 years, we have been steadily building our film and television production industry in Abu Dhabi, growing our infrastructure, resources, and expertise to enable Abu Dhabi to attract and service projects of all shapes and sizes. In 2014, we hosted both Baby and Bang Bang, where 2454 provided production services. And this year, we hosted Dishoom, which filmed at 26 locations in Abu Dhabi over 6 weeks period. We have also supported some of the biggest films in the history, including Star Wars, Fast and Furious, as well as a range of different internationally TV format. However, Bollywood has always been having a special place in our heart, which is why we are here tonight. We value your business, and we want to continue building the relationships between Abu Dhabi and India's vibrant, dynamic film production industry, and make you think of Abu Dhabi as your industry's second home. Getting to know the Dishoom team while they were filming in our capital was a wonderful experience, and we were delighted for the film's tremendous success at the box office. Thanks to Rohit, Dishoom beautifully showcased the fabulous locations of Abu Dhabi, and we truly believe that given the proximity of our country to yours, just 3 hours away, Abu Dhabi is an ideal filming destination for Indian production. We offer hundreds of diverse filming locations ranging from modern cityscapes, heritage-style settings, and of course, our breathtaking desert. We continue to build infrastructure and production expertise that we can offer. We have a pool of 600 freelancers plus 420 media and entertainment companies. In March, Bollywood lighting specialist Light and Light joined the 2454 community after choosing Abu Dhabi as a location for their expansion into the Middle East. For us, this is yet another partnership with Bollywood that we are so proud of. Plus, of course, we have the attractive 30% rebate incentive, the only incentive of its kind in the Middle East. We would love to hear about your project and how can we help you. And shortly, you will hear more about what it's like to film in Abu Dhabi directly from the cast and crew of Dishoom. I hope you enjoy the event, and I look forward to speaking with each of you throughout the evening. Thank you.
Shot extensively in Abu Dhabi. Take a look. The producer of Dishoom. Up next, the director who made all of you look so stunning, Mr. Rohit Dhawan. Thank you. Usually it's ladies first, but I'm going to come to her last. The man who speaks his heart out on Twitter, Instagram, and everywhere else. The man who wears his heart on his sleeve. Probably one of the most honest Bollywood stars that there is, and the most adorable one, Mr. Varun Dhawan. Thank you so much for coming. And somebody who just dances her way with her smile, her gorgeous beauty, and the most affectionate heart ever, Jacqueline Fernandez. Please come up on stage. पूरी शाम भी दे देंगे ना, कम पड़ जाएगा. शुरुआत कर लेते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारी बातें करनी है ना. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू. कैन आई प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट माय डार्लिंग फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम मीडिया टू सिट डाउन. प्लीज सिट डाउन.
हेलो.
Okay, I will begin with you, Sajid. I think as a producer, you always look for good locations. Your film needs to look good. All your films look good, by the way. Did you really choose any other location over Abu Dhabi, or was it your first choice, honestly?
Saling. See, the whole thing starts when the script comes in and that we sit with the director and his team. But fortunately, I think so, and Rohit will agree that the location came before the script.
पीछे का स्क्रीन प्लीज ऑफ कर दीजिए.
Okay, so the location came before the script.
Sorry.
हाँ, ओके.
So the location came before the script, and Rohit will take you why he selected Abu Dhabi.
Because that was practically the only city in the world where Sajid Bhai had not shot. Otherwise, Sajid Bhai shot in every continent across the world. And as he said correctly, we started off with just like a one line, which is like the back of a DVD cover, and we had this location, and that's how we saw the film, through Abu Dhabi, and just how you start off with just a bunch of Google images, and then we finally obviously connected with 2454 that introduced us to everything that you're seeing right here. And it was a long journey, but a very, very fruitful one. And it's practically I think one of the only cities in the world where you have an ocean and a desert literally 2 hours away from each other.
Wow.
That's not something you'll see in any part of the world.
Varun, I'm going to ask you a question, and then I'll tell our audience and all our friends here from media why I ask you. Is your brother a Hitler?
Is he a Hitler?
Huh.
No, not at all. He just is a Hitler when he's making a film.
Acha.
After that,
So he
totally
is a
fine.
Hitler as a director.
No, I think it's making a film is the toughest job. I truly believe that cinema is a director's medium, and he had a lot on his plate, and I think 2454 gave him all the support. Like they said, we shot in 26 locations, which is a lot.
That's where I'm coming at. 26
Exactly.
locations, 38 days.
In 38 days, 26 locations. So कोना कोना चप्पा चप्पा हम लोग ने छान कर शूटिंग की है अबू धाबी.
He marketed and promoted the film very well as well. उसमें भी बहुत मदद हुई थी, I believe.
No, I mean, today is digital, so when it comes in from the 2454 and Abu Dhabi Commission, it works big time.
But definitely in Abu Dhabi, people watch a lot of films. Even locals over there watch. Because I myself went and saw Neerja and Airlift over there while I was there. And the cinema halls were packed, so they really love Bollywood films over there
Varun,
in
I
Abu
met a
Dhabi.
gentleman from there, Mubarak, this evening, who's watched every film from Kabhi Kabhi to, you want just name it, सारी फिल्में उन्होंने देख ली हैं. उनको हिंदी ज़्यादा समझ आती है, Arabic शायद कम.
थैंक यू सर, प्लीज देखते रहो. मेरे भी पिक्चरें देख लो. अभी आएगी नेक्स्ट मार्च में. दिलवाले तो देखा है, अभी नेक्स्ट मार्च में बद्रीनाथ आएगी, फिर जुड़वा 2 आएगी. देख लो, आप किधर भी हो.
You know, Rohit, is it challenging to shoot in a place like a desert, or do you think it was smooth? Like, was the entire experience smooth for you, or there were rough feathers, you thought, while you were shooting?
The weather, actually, we were pretty lucky with the weather.
Okay.
And I think the weather in Abu Dhabi isn't as temperamental as the UK, you know, where you'll suddenly have rain one day and your next day will be sunny. So we were blessed with good weather throughout, and we had the sun out for literally, you know, like 10 to 12 hours a day. So we used to start our days at 6 in the morning and shoot till 6 in the evening.
We really thank you for the entertainment. The film was thoroughly a masala blockbuster. Congratulations to you guys. And thank you, Abu Dhabi, for giving us such a gorgeous place. Now, for that lovely surprise that you have, Sajid ji, आप करेंगे honors? आप announce करेंगे?
Tell me, what's the surprise?
आप डराइए मत मुझे. All of you.
So we're gonna release a DVD.
Of Dishum right now for the first time in front of the media here. So that is
Al Mariam.
okay.
The first time in the history of cinema, we are releasing the DVD of Dishom.
May I please
All,
request
please.
our friends up front in the media,
Make
please? Or should we hold it right up?
All and make.
We'll give you a picture opportunity. इनको पहले ले दीजिए. If you have your pictures, may I please request you all to sit down so that the media at the back can get their pictures. Please. Kindly cooperate. Thank you. Yeah. Paul? 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 Paul?
ले लो. Okay. पास. ले. बैठ जाओ. Okay, done. आराम से.
मीडिया वालों थोड़ी लाज रख लीजिए. बैठ जाइए. Jacqueline, higher. आपको आपके फोटोज मिले?
शुक्रान.
I think with that we'll open the questions to the media. Let them. Anybody would like to ask our wonderful Bollywood team here? Yeah, you have a question? Yeah. Could we have the mic reached out to them, please? Can you reach out the mic to that corner? Yeah.
Who's got the mic? Yeah. No, there. Somebody needs some question.
We'll open the floor for questions. Someone will please pass the mic around. Yeah, so we'll get someone to pass the mic around. Jacqueline, please sit down.
Nee, oh. Can we have the first question, please? Go for it.
Yes. Yes.
आप सबसे ये सवाल है कि आमतौर पर जब का प्रमोशन होता है तो मतलब जहाँ भी शूटिंग होती है जो कुछ होता है वो फिल्म रिलीज होने के पहले उसके बारे में बात की जाती है, फिल्म को भी फायदा मिले। ये इवेंट ऐसा है कि 2-3 महीने के बाद इसके बारे में बात की जा रही है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग?
इंटरेस्टिंग।
ये क्योंकि हम लोग ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग फिल्म प्रमोट करने के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं। फिल्म तो ऑलरेडी प्रमोट हो गई, रिलीज हो गई, अच्छा किया, टीवी पे आया, हाईएस्ट टीआरपी आ गई, ये होता है प्रमोशन। ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं हम लोग क्योंकि वी जस्ट वांट टू टेल पीपल दैट वी हैड एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग इन अबू धाबी with 2454 with the Ministry of Abu Dhabi, and we want to tell more people in our industry that आपको जाके वहाँ पे शूटिंग करना चाहिए because बहुत easily shooting होती है वहाँ पे और logistically, economically it's been very fruitful for the director and producer.
We've circulated this among our producers also. So this is the reason after 3 months.
कोई यादगार मोमेंट अगर सब लोग शेयर कर पाएं, एक सबसे यादगार मोमेंट।
एक बहुत यादगार मोमेंट था जब साजिद सर अबू धाबी आए थे एंड एक हेलीकॉप्टर राइड के लिए हम लोग गए थे। It's supposed to be a secret, and we saw a beautiful ceremony also over there, which
We danced in a wedding
We
also.
danced in a wedding over
Local
there. and
wedding.
This is a true.
Over the camel farms also.
We flew over the camel farms. We danced in a wedding over there. उधर किधर एक गांव में wedding हो रही थी and genuinely ऐसे photos भी बाहर आए, videos भी है, जहाँ जॉन, मैं, जैकलीन, साजिद सर and even रोहित कितना नाचा हो शादी में।
And that too was on our first day. That was us landing into Abu Dhabi. So you can imagine what that welcome felt like. It was amazing.
साजिद, बीइंग अ प्रोड्यूसर, आपसे ये सवाल है कि आज सिनेमा ओनर्स एंड एग्जीबिटर एसोसिएशन की एक मीटिंग हुई, वहाँ पे ये फैसला किया गया कि जो 4 स्टेट्स में जिनका प्रेजेंस है एसोसिएशन का, वहाँ पे ये फिल्म रिलीज़ ना की जाए, ऐसा उन्होंने नोटिफिकेशन जारी किया है। तो इससे जाहिर है कि अगर ऐसा वो फैसला मानते हैं तो प्रोड्यूसर को नुकसान होगा, करण जौहर को नुकसान होगा अगर इन 4 राज्यों में कुछ थिएटर्स में फिल्म रिलीज़ नहीं होती। तो आपका टेक क्या है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? हालांकि मुकेश भट्ट ने इसका विरोध किया है और गिल्ड की तरफ से करण जौहर को सपोर्ट किया है, मैंने उनसे बात की आज।
इस सवाल के 3 पार्ट है। एक पार्ट है कि जो आज हम हिंदुस्तान गुजर रहा है जिस चीज़ से, वी हैव टू से दैट वी ऑल आर बिहाइंड आवर नेशन, बिहाइंड आवर आर्मी। ये हो गया एक जवाब। सेकंड जवाब है आवर एसोसिएशन जितनी भी है सारों ने डिसाइड किया है कि एट प्रेजेंट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क विद देम। थर्ड सवाल है, इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट विद करण दैट दिस फिल्म वाज स्टार्टेड 2 years बैक जब माहौल कुछ और था। सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द पार्टीज, ऑल द कंसर्न अथॉरिटीज कि ही इज़ एन इंडियन एंड इंडियन शुड नॉट सफ़र फ्रॉम अ हैंड ऑफ एन अनदर इंडियन। तो मैं चाहता हूँ, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, हम बहुत हम्बली हर जगह जाएंगे, फ्रॉम संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे 1 by 1 कि इज़ एन इंडियन सिटीजन, प्लीज़ हेल्प हिम। एंड आई थिंक सो हमारी टीम सब सोच रही है कि ये विल बी सक्सेसफुल।
वरुण, जैकलीन, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे इस बारे में? वरुण, जैकलीन।
I totally agree with what Sajid sir said and stand by him, or that's it.
Let's stick to the agenda, please. You're here for Abu Dhabi. We need to thank them. So there's something related to that. Please, let's stick to that.
Hi,
Thank
Varun,
you.
over here.
Hi.
When you say that Abu Dhabi is the character itself in your movie, so it means quite how enchanted are you with the Abu Dhabi. So what are the few things you can just count up for Abu Dhabi that one needs to go over there?
There are a lot of things that we shot at Marina Bay, whether it's Ferrari World, whether so many locations that were so beautiful. In fact, I have a very early memory about Abu Dhabi when my father actually shot over there for Do Not Disturb in the Palace Hotel. And I was there as a kid during that time, and I was totally amazed by that hotel and how beautiful it is. And at that time, I was told that when the Prime Minister of India visits the country, his room is here. Someone had taken me up and I'd seen the room from outside, that हमारे प्रधानमंत्री वहाँ रहते हैं जब भी यात्रा के लिए आते हैं. So a lot of memories. And then when I came back to the country after so many years, there's so much infrastructure that has grown. It's so hospitable, especially for, and there's so many tourists over there. It's a tourist hotspot now, Abu Dhabi. So not only for shooting, but I think if families want to go there for a holiday, they have a water world over there as well. There's so many things for children to do. And I think definitely one thing what they've done by opening up their city for us to go and shoot over there, the Middle East, what they've done is it's a great thing to have between the two nations, for the friendship of the nation as well. So it's something which will help that as well, I feel.
Hi, this question is for Sajid bhai and for Rohit. आपको लगता है कि शूट करना बॉम्बे में अभी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो गया है vis-a-vis डूइंग इट इन नेबरिंग कंट्रीज लाइक अबू धाबी, बिकॉज वहाँ पे ज़्यादा रिबेट्स और आसानी से शूट करने में देते हैं और इकोनॉमिकल भी हो जाता है बहुत, और कहा जाता है कि मुंबई में इट्स बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू शूट बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉस्ट एंड द परमिशंस एंड ऑल दैट.
No, I don't think so. There is a requirement. Jesse Dishum could not be shot in Mumbai, so that's not the right thing. We've shot many films in Mumbai, and अभी हमने last film shoot की थी, बागी we shot in Mumbai. We shot many films. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. Requirement है. Directors come with scripts which are required to be shot abroad.
So hi, Jacqueline. We just got to see the very naughtiest character of Varun in the film. So in real life, who do you find is the naughtiest, Varun or Rohit?
Rohit. Picking on Varun and John, and especially John. I think he was very, very naughty with John, and unfortunately John's not here today to share his experience, to defend himself and share his experiences. But I think just as cheeky as Varun is, we do have a Rohit Dhawan, who's silent but naughty.
All right.
वरुण,
हाँ जी सर.
आपने बताया
क्या बात है.
आपने बताया कि जुड़वा 2 भी आपकी फिल्म आ रही है. जुड़वा 2 अभी आपकी फिल्म आ रही है, तो क्या अबू धाबी में भी
अभी आई नहीं, आएगी भाई,
आने वाली है?
हाँ.
तो अबू धाबी में भी हमें इसके कुछ शूट देखने को मिलेंगे हमें?
अभी स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं आई.
अभी स्क्रिप्ट आएगी, डायलॉग आएंगे, हीरोइन आएंगे. आई थिंक अभी थोड़ा टाइम है. हम लोग फिल्म अगले साल शुरू करने वाले हैं. एंड लाइक साजिद सर सेड, इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द फिल्म. जहाँ फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट ले जाते हैं हम लोग, वहाँ जाते हैं. सो इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, एंड बस वैसे ही बनने वाली.
100% अगर हम एक अच्छी कहानी क्रैक कर ले, we'd love to make it, because that was always the plan between Sajid bhai and me, that it's a very franchisable film, and it's a question that I'm sure we are going to get asked very often.
And then the same answer. It will be after we get the script.
जी. ओके, वरुण, अगर मैं, क्योंकि अबू धाबी की बात हो रही, तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि अबू धाबी जाना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं या बैंकॉक?
पहले तो अबू और धाबी एक ही है, अबू धाबी, जो ब्रेक की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मतलब मैंने अबू धाबी में शूटिंग की है, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. मैं तेरा हीरो के लिए बैंकॉक में शूटिंग किया था, एंड आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. बट स्टूडेंट के लिए भी बैंकॉक में शूटिंग किया था. बट फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव शॉट इन अबू धाबी. आई स्पेंड नियरली 38 to 40 days ओवर देयर. तो बहुत, और मेरा जो कैरेक्टर था वो वही का था. जुनैद अंसारी जो है वो वही का रहने वाला है. तो एक मतलब मेरे लिए वो एक आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो गया था. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एंजॉयड अ लॉट वर्किंग ओवर देयर.
वरुण, आपके सामने
जी सर,
जॉन, आपके पिताजी डायरेक्शन कर रहे हैं जुड़वा 2 को, तो कितना इमोशनल मोमेंट है और कितना मतलब प्राउड का मोमेंट है कि एक फादर अपने बेटे को डायरेक्ट करने जा रहा है?
सर वो जब फिल्म हिट होगा तब पता चलेगा
प्रेशर
कितना प्राउड हो गए वो.
प्रेशर है उस चीज़ को लेकर?
हाँ,
प्रेशर है उस चीज़ को लेकर?
जब आप लोग ये सवाल करते तब मुझे प्रेशर फील होता है. उसके बजाय मैं इतना सोच रहा नहीं हूँ. आई थिंक वी जस्ट गोना गो विद द फ्लो. एंड जुड़वा वाज मेड लाइक दैट. आई थिंक, आई डोंट थिंक दैट साजिद सर डैड थॉट कि ये बहुत बड़ी हिट होगी या ये होगा. सो राइट नाउ आई डोंट थिंक एनी ऑफ अस आर thinking much. We are just going out there to make a film that will entertain people.
Last question this evening from a beautiful lady right next to me.
जैकलीन आपसे सवाल है, किक 2 में आपका नाम है, हमने सुना है, क्या ऐसा सत्य है? मतलब सच्चाई है इसमें?
ये वाक्य जो है,
That is the last question. Thank you.
इस बात में सच्चाई है कि आप जुड़वा 2 में काम कर रही हैं?
अरे यार,
सॉरी, किक 2 में काम, किक 2 में आप काम कर रही हैं, क्या ऐसी सच्चाई है?
What are you working on? Are you doing Dabang 3?
Right now, actually, I'm currently working on a film with Siddharth Malhotra. It's untitled.
Bang Bang 2.
It's not Bang Bang 2.
It's Reloaded.
Yeah.
Sorry? Who's that?
So my question is to the entire cast and crew of everyone is not present here for Dishum team. There are 2 more movies being shot in Abu Dhabi. One is Baby, second is Bang Bang. But they are not here, and you all are promoting Abu Dhabi. What's a hidden agenda to that, or what is it?
Why we? Because we have a surprise for everyone also.
Because Abu Dhabi gave us more rebate. That's not the reason. I think Akshay sir and Ritik sir must be busy and caught up in
Akshay
some
sir
other
is
thing.
in Bangkok, I think so.
Akshay sir is in Malaysia. He's shooting. And I think Ritik sir is also shooting, so that's why they're busy.
Sajid sir, I have a question.
Yeah, there's a question by this
I'm an
lovely, beautiful lady.
Ex-Mediaite, and I couldn't resist asking this question. When are you taking me to Abu Dhabi next?
Soon, thank you.
Answer, sir. Answer.
I have to answer.
What's the answer, sir?
Tonight.
That was quite instant. अभी पूरा public pressure होगा उन पे. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jacqueline. Thank you so much for coming here, Jacqueline.